Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Lightroom photos on your mobile phone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the Edits button right here. There will be the photos that you have edited and saved to the Lightroom app. Now tap onto the three lines button at the top right corner. Then tap onto Select button right here. Now select the photos that you want to delete from the Lightroom app, just like this. Then here we can find the option of Delete. Tap on it. Then simply tap onto Delete to delete the photos. Now you can see the photos has been deleted from the Lightroom app. And that's it. This is how you can delete the photos from the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.